Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. For those who are new, Design to Inspire channel is all about architecture, construction, building materials, and lots of interior projects. Hi guys, so for today's episode, it's our week 1 of construction. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Barong Tower in San Juan. So this condominium is 165 square, tatlong unit siya na pinag-combine. So as you can see sa paligid ko ngayon, this is actually a bare unit. Typically yung pinaka-bare unit kasi wala talaga siyang abang. So ang inabang lang ng developer is yung mga pipes. Mga pipes yung soil pipe, yung para dun sa mga dumi, and then yung mga drainage. So as you can see, no, sa ating ceiling, this is actually bare, super bare. So tayo maglalatag ng mga wirings, ili-layout natin yung mga walls, doors. So actually, this condominium project is very fun to do kasi kumbaga, ang tawag dito, yung magagawa mo, magiging feasible lahat yung design mo. Pero at the same time, kailangan mo pa rin sundin yung guidelines ng condominium. Okay, mag-start tayo dito sa main entrance. So, this will be the main entrance of this project. So, dito, sa entrance mo, I designed this area to be the common area. Pagpasok mo, I'm planning to put my kitchen. So, this will be my kitchen area and the bar counter area. This is actually a, sa original plan, ito yung inalat ng condominium for the toilet and bath. So, lahat ng pipes ng toilet and bath gagamitin ko for the kitchen. So, ito yon. So, ito yung magiging itsura niya based on my design. So, after nun, adjacent dito sa area na yon, meron tayong dalawang column. Since hindi na natin pwedeng galawin tong column na to, so andyan na siya, this will be our living area. Alright? So, ginawa ko sa living area, very hotel inspired. So, ito yung magiging itsura ng ating living area. Tapos, sa kabila, other side, ito naman yung area na ng master bedroom na to. So, ito yung magiging main door niya. Siguro ganito, doors around 90 cm. And then, pagpasok mo sa master bedroom, dito mapupunta yung ating pinaka bedroom. So, ganito itsura niya based on my design. Tapos, dito naman sa kabilang side, nandito yung kwarto ni daughter. So iba yung theme niya. So more on shabby chic style. So this will be the hallway. Ito yung powder room. So itong area na to, ganito yung magiging itsura niya, no? Girls bedroom. Tapos, dito naman sa area na to, meron pa tayong isang room. So, this one, isasara natin ito kasi meron siya sariling door. So, this area will be for the utilities. Nandiyan ang ating dirty kitchen, nandiyan ang ating maid's quarters. So, yun. So, okay guys, no? Today, parang 5 days na sila nag-work. Ito yung week 1 natin. So, right now, nakapag-deliver na, nakapag-mobilize na ng mga main materials. Nandiyan yung mga hollow blocks, gypsum boards, mga sand, cement. So, inalat na natin yung ating ceiling height. So, for this coming week, ang gagawin na natin, mag-start na tayo sa mga bathroom areas. So, abangan nyo guys on our week 2 yung update para sa project na to. Thank you guys for watching and please do subscribe to our channel for more construction, architecture, and interior works na magagamit nyo on your own.